Hello you beauts, I just want to give a shout out to Joseph Fleming. He's a friend of my grandson Alex. So yeah, you're a fan dude, and you take care Alex, and enjoy watching Joseph. This is for you. Well, good morning you beauts. We're local today, so we've got this little bit of river here. It's absolutely swollen. We've had a massive rain down here. I'm just a bit further up from where I found the machine gun bullets and the lovely knives. So let's see what we can get out of here. It's fast flowing, so we might be able to move around up and down. If not, we're having fun. Right, I'm on the G120 today. My magnetite rope as well. If you want anything from these lovely companies, please use the codes on screen. I'm probably going to get tangled up in all these brambles, but you know, if we've got to move down, we've got to move down anyway. First throw. As you can see, taking my rope, so it looks like it's taking my magnet. That is very fast flowing today. Yeah, look at that. Very fast flowing river today. So anyway, we'll just have to see what we can do. So I might have to throw it over there just to get over there. Anyway, it is what it is, isn't it? If we've got to fight the current, we've got to fight the current. Safety first. Obviously. Oh. Get off. Alright, our first chuck. And we have that's part of a horseshoe. That's our first little chuck. Hey, and a bit of barbed wire. Can't go anywhere with a bit of barbed wire. Right, so I'm going to throw it over to the left just to get to the right. It's actually doing our job for us, isn't it? Look at that, look at the tension on that. Anyway, it's my treats. Current. It's just a case of throwing it in and pulling the rope back just to stay in the spot. Look at that, look at it, it's vibrating. Love it. Don't know what that is, but it's got little teeth on it. Shall we have a look? what we got here. It's like a nut, a threaded piece of bar. Oh, there's some magnetic rocks there. Now I'm going to move down a bit because there's like a little curvy bit here, so I'm just going to go there. Get the old thedge dip done. Get thedge dip. Okay, what we got here? No way, is that an axe head? That is an old wheel hubcap. Mint. Ugh. And I think it's a great, that. Might be a great find. Cool. Told you. Edge dip never lies. Oh, we're onto something here, you cockers. You like something there. It likes something a lot. Like some magnetic rock. Let's just loosen it a bit, or whatever it is, and then the treat can come up. Can it, you beauts? Whatever it is. It's one of them. It's one of them big breaker bar things. Something on here, I think. Yep. Curvy bit on top. Don't know what that is. Something, isn't it? What we got here? Bit of a U-nail and a bit of bar. What we got? Anything? More of a metal bar. Okay, what we got on here? Couple of things. We have a hooky thing. And a thatty thing. Whatever that went on to. Smile. We have a spring. We have a spring in autumn. What we got here? Woohoo! Right, first we got a load of wire. But look at this beauty that's just come up. Look at that. Jeez. Jeez Louise. Mint. Love a bit of that. What with cockers? Right, what's this? A couple of things here. Some horn thing. Whee. Don't know what that is. Get in there, stop messing around. And that magnetic rock. Oh, a bit of smeg. What we got? Bit of a plate and a bit of smeg. What have we got here? Bit of smeg. I think we're fighting something here. Cockers. What is it? It's a thingamajig. Yeah. What we got? I'll have a look at that, won't we? And some smeg. Right, what we got on here? We have a threaded bolt thing. That looks like a square nut. Don't know what that is. And that's a bit of smeg. Anything on there? Smeg. What's on here? We have that thing. Some smeg. Okay, that's got to be a battery, hasn't it? Yeah. Anything on this one? Oh, we have a coin of some sort. Is it a coin? Might be a penny. That looks a bit small though for a penny. But anyway, we'll have a look. Right, you beauties, this is going to be my last throw. I'm just going to waz it all the way out there. Have a bit of that. Let the rope go. go. Let's see what we can do. See what we can do. Let's get a bit closer actually. Oh yeah, that'll do us, won't it? Cockers. It's definitely a spot to come back to when it's not as swollen and fast flowing, so we get to the other side without it dragging half a mile. So there's plenty to do. Plenty to do, and we're going to do it. Right, last chuck. Stop messing around in the weeds now. Alright, last chuck. Reveal yourself. What little sneakers have you give us? You have given me the end of a medieval sword. I don't know what that is, but we're going to have a look at it with cockers. And any hitchhikers? No, that's it. So the medieval sword will get put in the bucket. Yeah, with the other stuff. Right, you beauts, so the hat's off and the bald head's out. It's been warm. It was freezing when I got here, but it's warm now. So I will see you at home if we're going to. I want to have a look at that wheel trim / hubcap. It does have a pattern on the front, I've just noticed. And a couple of other things we'll have a look at. So take care, you beauts. See you soon. Right, you beauts, we're back home now. This is a couple of days later because I've had these soaking and that lot. So it's getting towards Christmas. Woo! The Grinch cup comes out. Right, so that's all the smeggy bits, bits and pieces of metal. That's the spring. It couldn't hack autumn, so it's breaking. There's the long pieces of bars, and oh, this little bit here. Let's put it on here. So possibly that had another one like that. I don't know. It looks a bit small to, you know, poke hay with. Whee! There's Colin. Hey, puss. Yeah, anyway. Don't know what this part is. It's a bit of a car or a motorbike. It's got this little bit here. Looks like a bit of brass on either side. It's hard to get crud off when they've been in the river so long. It's got this bit as well. What else have we got? Let's do these little bits. So this was, I thought, was a nut on the end, and then a screwy bit. It's actually got a hole in it and like a rivet top, so that's a thingy for something. There's my medieval sword. Ooh, it's a bit blunt. Yeah, I don't know what that is. It's curved though, and a bit at the end. I don't know, no markings on them. I think this is an ever ready by the colour situation, but if I find a picture what I think it is, I'll put them, well, I'll put them on the screen anyway. Square washer, and then I thought this was a square washer, but it's got a bit of a curved end, all in middle, a bit rounded there, and yeah, it's something. And then this is the toothy bit, so whether that was off like a bit of a gear system, I don't know. What else we got over here? Definitely a shoulder plate for a Roman. Nah, I don't know. I don't know what that could be. It's rounded for something. No markings. This part here, I think, is that part of a gear system, brake system on a bike. You know where the arm goes down there like that, and then you press it to slow down. I don't know. You never can tell. This was a thought, obviously, when I pulled it up with this. No, it was an axe head. It's like it's some sort of grid fit into somewhere, didn't it? Well, oh, we've got that big breaker bar there. And yeah, got this little tiny horseshoe or pony, so it's a little bit there. So that's the actual size of it. And then this big daddy here, which I've started to knock some rubbish off, but I'm going to do a bit of electrolysis on it, get this off probably, because it is nice and straight, so it'd be nice to put up that. And the actual last bit is this beauty, this hubcap. Unfortunately it's a bit corroded there, but obviously I know it's old because it's a hubcap. But when I looked at it closely on the riverside, I noticed some little wings there, and I thought it was like a little butterfly. If you have a look there, I'll put some information up, but you probably recognised what it's off anyway by the thumbnail that I'm going to put on. I believe it's an Austin, the make, and that is off one of them. I think the retail these, I think someone's flogging one of these on eBay for like 95 quid. Obviously the chrome bit's coming off, needs a good wash, but I'd like to possibly get all the rust off and then re-chrome it. Yeah, pretty good that. So I think we'll be going back to that spot again. As I'm speaking now, the river has actually rose about another 4 foot, so it's pretty much coming over. Yeah, that's how floody it is down here. But anyway, I'll see you beauts on the next one. Treat yourself. Right, you beauts, so if you like what you see with the magnets, accessories, all you need to do is head over to www.magnetstore.co.uk, click on fishing magnets, and you've got a vast amount of magnets to choose from, professional kits or accessories, so pick which one you like, add to cart, go to the checkout, enter my code Patriot10, click apply coupon, and then what you'll see, you beauts, is you'll have a 10% discount knocked off your order.